So now let's see how we can work around with the supernova effect inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with supernova effect, you need to go around under filters and then you need to go around under light and shadow. So once you go around over there, you need to go around under supernova, and over here you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and change around the center location right here, just like this, to change around the location of the supernova that is added in. So you can see that I can go around and increase the size right here or decrease this out right here, just like this, and change around the radius over here as well. You can go around and change around the number of spokes over here, just like this as well, and change around the hue around to make it more colorful as well. So you can go around and then drag this around over here, just like this, wherever you want, and change around the length right here, just like this, as you want. So that is what you have. You can go around and change around the color as well. So let's say, for example, you can see that you have a color. You can go around and change around the color as you like right here, just like this. And then you can go around and change around the hue, and you can see that that is what you have. You got the color that you want. So you can go around and change around the randomness right here, just like this, for the seed, or click on new seed right over here as well. You can go around onto blending mode, and then you can go around and lighten only, or you can go around and multiply right here, just like this as well. But usually you go for replace. You can change around the opacity right here to change around the intensity of the supernova, and you can disable the on canvas controls as well. You can go around and see the preview right here. You can see the before and after, and you can also go around and see the split view to see the before and after around over here. So if you want to apply it, simply press OK, and the supernova effect will be applied just like that. So that is how you can apply the supernova effect inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.